is gonna come for me. That thing right there is gonna come for me. And it's gonna like rape me. I swear. It's going to rape me. Shit. Okay, calm down, dude. I need to calm myself. Oh my god. Shh. I need to shut up. Doorknob. Wait, I'm gonna say his name and see what happens. Nikki! Holy shit! No! Why'd I do that? Why'd I do? Nikki! Okay, good. Oh my god, no, he's walking. No, he left. Oh, where'd he go? Oh my god. He's like Slender Man. He's gonna rape me. Oh my god, there he is. He's just gonna come here and rape me. It's like Slender Man. I don't know. It's nasty. Okay. I'm gonna try to run away. Oh my god, no, he sees me. He just yawned. Or did he sneeze? Oh, gross. Nikki! Nicola! What am I watching? I just distracted myself. Oh my god! She just kissed his cheek. That's nasty. That's really perverted. I have personal problems. Oh my god. Fangirl. Nordic track, like Norway, and that's like, oh my god. Why am I still videotaping? I probably should stop videotaping before the dog comes here and rapes me and I disturb your mind. So bye. Ciao!